Hey everyone, CPO here, and this is a super low-tech video, but I figured I would share just in case it might be helpful for somebody. I've had this De'Longhi Dinamica Plus for a little bit over a year. One of the most frustrating things about this particular super automatic coffee machine, which is super awesome by the way, but one of the frustrating things about it is it's really hard to tell the water level in the water reservoir whenever you're going to make a brew. It does have an electronic notification to tell you to refill your water reservoir, but it only tells you when you're basically out of water. What that means is if you don't check it before you make a brew, you run the risk, which has happened to me several times, hence this video, of having it run out of the water in the middle of making a cup of coffee. So you waste whatever number of beans it takes to do with that. If you're making a cappuccino or some sort of a frothed milk drink, you might waste that as well. And so it's super frustrating that it doesn't give you enough notice to tell you, hey, you're going to request a coffee that you don't have enough water for. Like, I don't know why that's not a thing. I also don't know why I shouldn't be able to see the water level from the front. I've got to look to the side. When you look to the side, you don't always get a chance to see the water level because the side plastic, the reservoir plastic, it's a smoked plastic, so it's hard to see the water level. So then you've got to shake it or pull it out to see. It's so frustrating, and I don't know why this is the way it is. But anyway, my solution is super simple. I was looking for a float to use, and I needed something food grade and easy. I decided to just use a bottle cap. This is just a cap off of a lemon juice bottle. It's brightly colored, it's yellow, and it floats. So it makes a perfect water level indicator. So I just thought I would share this. Originally, I was gonna do something more complicated with like a straw and then drill a hole in the middle of the cap, and that way it will slide up and down the straw, and then I can put the straw in a place that will always be consistent, and I know where to look for it, but it turns out I don't really need that. It's pretty easy to find that cap whenever I'm looking for it. So I can check the water level really easy. Not just me, my wife, my father-in-law, everybody that uses this coffee machine now is trained to check the water level, and it's a lot easier. Like, as a matter of fact, if that cap wasn't there, you wouldn't know without shaking it to see where the water level is. I don't know why. But anyway, that's my tip. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.